Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the importance of preservation. Our last speaker, Mazin, spoke to us about the effects that the destruction of habitats and the climate change have in the land of Palestine. Before we start, I would like to give a brief introduction on where Palestine is located and the climate that they have throughout the year. Palestine is located in the eastern Mediterranean region between the Jordan River and the Mediterranean Sea in Asia. Palestine territories include the Gaza Strip, West Bank, and parts of the modern Israel. Now, to dig deeper, I would like to first start by talking about biodiversity and the correlation between the importance of preservation and biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variability among living organisms. It encompasses microorganisms, plants, animals, and ecosystems. In Palestine, the biodiversity has been threatened by the destruction of habitat and climate change. The destruction of habitat has to be one of the worst threats to species, as the species' habitats continue to disappear because it is used for agriculture, housing, roads, and pipelines. The climate in Palestine has also taken its toll. As the planet becomes warmer, there's still evidence of it resulting in marked ecological changes, such as changes in species ranges and patterns of seasonal breeding. The climate change also resulted in the loss of species. Reptiles and amphibians are one of the many species to experience the loss of biodiversity. This past Monday, Mazin mentioned that 119 species disappeared. 37 became locally extinct, one apparently resurfaced. Folks, we need to preserve biodiversity, as this would serve as a great benefit to our environment, as we need our species that are being impacted by all of this. Like snakes, for example, who are greatly feared. In West Bank, there's a relatively large number of snakes, 27 being recognized. These species are an important part of the food chain in healthy ecosystems because most of them feed on animals such as rodents, terrestrial invertebrates, frogs, toads, and birds, as well as other reptiles. Some non-poisonous snakes even eat poisonous snakes. Also, there are many snakes that are considered to be friends of the farmers, like the cereal whip snake, which protect farms by keeping agricultural pests such as rodents in check.